Okay, let's quickly see what we were busy with on the pad was this questionnaire. I said to the learners also I will replay the previous video that I made, but I want the learners also to be able to carry on if they are done. So I'm going to do the next step. It's going to be a very short presentation. It's a double period, so you have quite a lot of time. You also see I've added a new field called age, and I also just changed the type to number. Okay, that's basically what I changed here. So after we have completed the questionnaire and we have sent it out and they have filled it in, and you have that 25 questionnaires here on your inside phase 1 in the questionnaire folder. If you have the 25 questionnaires here and the master questionnaire, then what I want to do is I want us to create a new Word document, or you can draw it. You know the drill, grade 12, how we did it last year as well. You can have a piece of paper there, and then you're gonna have there how many questions you have there. I'm only gonna do mine, so it is six columns, 7 columns with this question, 8 columns, 9 columns with this question, and then the numbering. So it's 9 columns and then 26 rows. Let's quickly see if we can do that. This is just to explain to you. You know the drill. I'm explaining I'm explaining it on the computer, but you'll do it on a piece of paper just to record the answers. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to number them 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm only going to go to 10, but you also need to go to 25. Okay, I'm going to do that, and then we know at the top, what do? We add the headings there. So I'm just going to make 50-50. So the first one is name, surname. We did this last year as well, grade 12, so you'll know this by now. Gender, then town, then suburb, then age. And now I'm going to put in my questions there. I'm just going to make mine a bit shorter. Sorry, there's shorter row. Column. So I'm just going to add a column there. So are there any feeding schemes in the community? I'm just going to call this feeding schemes in community. And then the next one is here, hunger scale. I'm making it short, but this is my questions that I add there. And how much money do you spend on food? Budget food. Budget food. Okay, so there's my headings. So you can either do it on a piece of paper, or like I did it here. I prefer if you do it on a loose piece of paper. You just quickly draw the columns and draw the rows. Then I will open up, not the master one, I'll open up my first questionnaire and the answers. Remember, we have handed it out now, so you have the answers already typed in there that you have typed in of the results on your questionnaire. So now the first thing I'll do is I'll type in my name, then a surname. All of you know how it works, grade 12s. Julle weet hoe werk dit. Daar's nie Barkley East. All of you know this by now. Fairview. I'm going to put in my age there. Sorry, the age field wasn't included here, so I'm just going to put in the age there, 28. Then I'm going to type in the years. Hunger scale, I'm going to say I was quite hungry. And then you can see what I've answered here. Sorry, let's work on this. I said yes, there are feeding schemes, and I said I'm very hungry, so it's 10. And the budget of food is, I'm just going to type there, bigger than 1,000. Okay, so this you do for all the 25 questionnaires. That's why I'm going to give you this period and the next period. It's a double period to complete the table with all your answers in it. because we want to take this then, and we want to do it, we want to put this into Excel. Okay, so that is what I want you to do for this double period. I'll also be available here the whole time, so you'll be able to follow me. I'm just going to quickly repeat it and recap on what I did now. I simply filled in the questionnaire, okay, 25 times. Okay, if I filled it in 25 times, I have a loose piece of paper that I draw my answers on to, like this. You can also do it on Word and then just copy and paste or import it into Excel. It's up to you, grade 12s. And after that, I will do the next part of the phase. I just want us to get the information from Word, the questionnaire, up into the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, I will give you time now to do that, so please, you can start now. Thank you.